All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be kind of different video. It's going to be more of an informative video. So I will be showing you guys how I got this look for Valentine's Day. But before we get into that, I wanted to touch on how I take care of my kinkistry clip-ins, so how I wash them and then how I stretch them. I've gotten tons of DMs and comments and everything, so here I am just showing you guys exactly how I do it. All right, so let's get started. So first, you'll see exactly how I'm holding the clip-ins here. This is what I've been doing for years. I've been working with these clip-ins for over 2 years, so I kind of have my routine down. So I always grab the clip-ins by the wefted part, like actually by the clips. And then next, I'm using Herbal Essence's Hello Hydration Conditioner. This is my favorite conditioner to use on my clip-ins, and I am just taking the conditioner and bringing it down on the clips. I never, ever take the conditioner or anything, even if I'm using shampoo, and like bunch the hair up. Just like I don't do with my natural hair, I don't do it with these clip-ins. So for me, I don't use as much shampoo as I do conditioner. I use a lot of conditioner on my clip-ins. For me, I just feel like they last a lot longer and the hair is not stripped. I probably shampoo these clip-ins like every 2 or 3 uses, maybe, or if I know that I've used a lot of product on them. So you'll get a feel for if you need to actually shampoo them or if you need to just co-wash them, or if you don't like to co-wash, then go ahead and shampoo. It's totally up to you. But next, I am just rinsing with warm water, and I was doing all of this in my tub with warm water, of course, still holding it by the wefts. And everything you see me doing, I'm just bringing my hand down on the hair and never scrunching it up. This is a big thing. That's why I like to do it in the tub and not in the sink as well, because it allows the hair to hang. And I do have 24-inch clips, so it also depends on the length of the clip-ins that you have purchased or that you have as well. So here I'm just putting some more of the Hello Hydration conditioner on my clip-ins. They didn't need to be super deep conditioned, so I just left this conditioner on them for like an hour or two. Sometimes I'll use a more expensive conditioner, sometimes I won't. It just all depends on how they feel. Alright guys, so next, this is a command hook that I purchased from Amazon. You can get it from Amazon, Target, wherever. But I just like to place my wet clip-ins on here to let them air dry. I always let my clip-ins air dry like 100%. I never blow dry them straight or use the blow dryer to speed up the process or anything like that. So you can, depending on what style you want to do, you can always add product here. Maybe if you're doing like a wash and go kind of style, and that will still give you some stretch if you think about it, because they are hanging. I never lay my clip-ins flat, or you can just let them dry like I do pretty much all the time. All right, so here, this is a part of my stretching process. I actually kind of go in through each weft and do my best to separate the curl or the kink or the curl, whatever you want to call it, but the strands that are clumped together. So what I mean is, you'll see me kind of take one of the strands that's like together and and I just loosen that up. And what that will do is, one, it'll give you more hair, of course, and then it'll give you more volume as well. So it all depends on the style, so keep that in mind. Like I said, if you're going for a more wash and go type of look, you probably don't need to do this, but since I knew I was stretching my hair out, I went on ahead and did it. Alright guys, so just keep in mind, at this point, there's a lot that you could have done that determines how you can stretch your clip-ins. So whether you add product to them when they're wet or whether you don't add product when they're dry, that's all a determining factor on the amount of length that you get as well. If I don't really want that much stretch or I don't care about the length, like actually getting that whole 24 inches. I will go ahead and just like apply product when it's wet, or do some type of braid out. There's so much you can do at this point, so just keep that in mind whenever you are playing around with your clip-ins. So here I'm going to show you guys the how I stretched my clip-ins for no damage. It's the easiest thing. I take some heat protectant spray. I take my blow dry brush. If you don't have one, a blow dryer is all you need. You do not need any tools, so no brushes, combs, all that kind of stuff. You don't need it. And I just take a section of hair, and you want to do this kind of in small sections, as small as you feel. The smaller the better, pretty much. And I detangle a little bit with my hands, and I just do the tension method. That's all I do whenever I get my in order to get my clip-ins like fully stretched. It's the easiest thing. Of course, I'm just using it to just kind of detangle the ends, but you don't have to do that. But just pull and just run the heat along the clip-ins. You're not pulling the hair out. You're not doing any kind of damage with these, and I promise they will revert back. I'm going to show you guys that in a separate video. I forgot to put it on this video. My apologies. But yeah, that's it, you guys. And then from there, you can do whatever kind of style you want. Braid out, twist out, whatever the case may be. One tip I can tell you is that if you, these clip-ins are yours. I'm only just giving you my advice. But if you decide to blow dry this hair straight, then you should not flat iron this hair. And I wouldn't flat iron this hair, period. So if you're thinking about doing that, I just would not do it, simply because that's not why you purchased the hair. If you wanted some straight clips, then you can always get straight clips, but you purchase the hair to mimic your hair so that you don't have to worry about any heat or anything like that. So I would stay away from the flat iron completely. I think using heat on these, low heat for a short amount of time is fine to stretch the hair. Mind you, I did not stretch this hair while it was wet. I fully let my clip-ins air dry, and then I sectioned them off in small sections, and then just did the tension method just to get that length. So that's it, you guys. That's really all the tips I have. If I have more, I will put them in the description box for you. I hope this answered any questions that you may have or had, or DM me with, or anything like that. If there's anything else you guys need, you know I'm always here. Send me a DM or put them down below in the description box, and I will answer you guys. But that's it. That's all I have for this video, and I'm just finishing up this style, this really quick style that I did for pre-Valentine's Day look. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below again, because I just said that. And happy Valentine's Day to you. I don't care if you're celebrating with yourself, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.